Alright, so as promised, we're going to open up this guy, which is this air filter right here, just this tube part. This one, when I opened it, was full of metal shavings and was rather disappointing. So I cleaned it all out, ran some PB Blast through it, got all the pieces and chunks out, and then took a towel and scrubbed the nookie out of it, and used my Dremel polishing wheel on it, and cleaned out all the shavings and everything that I couldn't get out. So without further ado, we're going to open up this this bag and see what's in there. Alright, so this is by NIBBI, N-I-B-B-L, NIBBI. It's made in China, I believe, or Japan. So it came wrapped in the one bag. It says made in China, so yeah, made in China. And then came wrapped again in this bag. So it's these guys. N-I-B-B-L or N-I-B-B-I, I don't know. But, so when you open it up...
The camera just shut off.
No, it's okay. The screen just went off. It's fine. It's still running. So it comes with this adapter, which is your 40mm adapter that allows it to adapt to the carburetor. And then your clamps. Comes with a big one and a small one for both ends, and then it comes with a pipe here, and there's a little baggie inside, and inside the baggie is the bracket to attach it to the go-kart, and it's got laser engraved in there, the NIBBI, it looks like. This one is in much better condition. I don't see the metal shavings on the inside of it, and it looks to be pretty good. I'm going to run a towel through it just in case, because the shavings that I found in this one were big enough that it would have ruined the carburetor. I don't know if you can see down in there. Tap the top button on the camera under your finger. Yep, there you go. I don't know if you can see down in there, there's spots, but that's where all the metal chunks were in there. But I got those all cleaned out, and so I think we're good to go with this one. This one looks like it's a lot better. I don't feel anything in there. It's got some rough edges, and the welds are not that great, but for what it is, it definitely doesn't look like the picture. That looks like it was done by one of my kids. But for 15 bucks, I think it's going to work. I would like to see a little bit better quality than that, so hopefully the manufacturer will see this video and maybe take a note if that does not look anything like it does in the picture on the website, and they need to improve that. But we'll see how the performance on it is, and I think it's going to do what we want it to and get it out just a little bit away from the carburetor, make it mount a little easier. Thank you.